Welcome to another biryani session. I got to eat some biryani, but today I'm going to make 5 spice, 5 herb chicken biryani. So first I'm going to take a Bajaj Ivora mixer and grinder, and for this we're going to take the 5 spices. I'm going to add nutmeg, peppercorn, lot of it, and a little bit of clove. See, these are really hot spices, and some cinnamon, some cardamom. Okay, and now in this, on top we're going to add mint. With the 5 spices I'm going to add 5 herbs: the mint, the methi leaves, coriander leaf, this is mustard leaf, so, and the soya leaf, add a little bit because it's got a very strong flavor. Now, make a paste out of this masala. This is what we're going to use to make our biryani today. And in this you can add some water or even yogurt, okay, and make it into a fine paste. For making the preparation, we're going to add oil in a pressure cooker, because we're going to do this in a pressure cooker. And even for this I'm using Majesty, the pressure cooker from Bajaj Electricals. So in this we're going to add onions. Fry the onions till they are golden in color. Add a little bit of salt, that will help you brown it faster. Now here is the boneless chicken, and the 5 spice and 5 herb will go into this. And look at the way how nice and easily I am able to make the paste out of it. Ivora mixer and grinders NutriPro feature helps retain the nutrients and also make the purees and the chutneys nice and perfect. So mix all of this and add salt and marinate the chicken with this for like 20-25 minutes, after which we are going to use it to make this nice masaladar herb and masala chicken biryani. In the meanwhile, we are going to cook the basmati rice in the absorption method. When you do absorption method, that means you got to add 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. So this way you will be able to get a perfect fluffy rice when the biryani is done. So just mix it one time. You can add salt to this water and it should taste like sea salt water. That's when your biryani will taste good. And also few drops of oil will make your rice nice and perfect. In the onions, add some green chili, ginger garlic paste, and also some yogurt. And mix all of this, and this will give that additional boost of flavor for the biryani. Now to this add the chicken pieces which we have marinated with the herbs and spices. Not even a pinch of masala to go waste. Perfect. Now look at this, the chicken along with this masala at the bottom, and when the rice is almost 70% done, we are going to put it on top of this chicken. Take the rice when it is almost 70% done and spread it on top of this chicken. So spread the entire rice, a little bit of saffron color if you wish, that's it, and put the pressure cooker lid on, and just 1 whistle and switch off the flame, and your rice will be perfect, and the really awesome flavorful 5 herbs with those 5 masalas, it will be an awesome biryani. Especially that's how we're going to end this new year. When the first whistle comes, you can really get that beautiful aroma from the biryani. I'm telling you, it will be just awesome. Antibacterial and anti-dust finish helps me keep my mixer and grinder absolutely clean all the time. The NutriPro feature in my mixer and grinder helps me retain all the nutrients, especially when I'm making paste, chutneys and other masalas. Now, this is what, even in a pressure cooker, with a little bit of technique, you can get it done. And you have to look at the colors. So, and the rice, it's very, very hot. And the moment you drop the rice, the rice will be nice and fluffy. And the chicken pieces, they are also very nicely cooked. And all you have to do is just let it rest for a minute, and your flavorful biryani will be ready. So, very, very hot. That's it, as simple as this. And we have a very tasty biryani. Actually, I have some friends waiting for me, so I'll go and enjoy it with them. But make it like this, and very simple with the leafy vegetables. Always be little careful, because you can always add little extra salt, because the leaves themselves have some salt. So the chicken will literally melt in your mouth. And look at each piece, they will be coated with all the nice masalas. It's way too hot. And my advanced season greetings, and I wish you a very, very happy new year. We will be cooking a lot of awesome recipes in the coming year too. See you in another recipe. Till then, bye bye.